Oh, that was loud. Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun products to share with you today. One of them is going to be really popular. That's all I'm going to say. It is called the Collage Slimline die. Now, why is it going to be so cool? Because you get a rectangle, a square, and another rectangle, perfect for your slimline cards. And I have lots of samples to share with you. Now, we already have some dies like this that are triple circle or triple square. This one is fun because it's different shapes. So we're calling it a collage, and it's going to be lots of fun. You're going to love the samples. Then we are finally releasing the inspirational words that I originally took on HSN a long time ago. These words are really fun because they have that fun little tail at the end. All of the words come with shadow dies as well, and that's really exciting. And I have a couple samples on that one to share with you. And lastly, this next item is an item that I designed probably almost 2 years ago, and it could not get on the release schedule. Finally, it's on the release schedule. I'm really excited about it because I don't know about you guys, but at home, we give for gifts. We mostly do gift cards. We really do. We're big on gift cards just because then that person can get whatever they want. And this is perfect for that. This is called the For You gift card holder. And it is awesome. Now it comes with lots of dies, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Don't worry. It comes with a die that says for you, a gift for you. It comes with a cute little bow, a little ladybug, some flowers, and it's lots of fun. Now, I'm going to share with you my samples, and then I'm going to jump in and we're going to actually make one. But let's look at these first. So here is an example of those fun, inspirational words. Smile, laugh, love. Isn't that cute? And I love that it has that little tail. Now this is using it without the shadow. Here's an example, dream, of using it with the shadow. So you can see the dream word is nice and intricate. You'll definitely want to use the adhesive sheets on the back of this. And then it has that shadow. Here's another one with the shadow, smile, and then it has that fun shadow as well. So gorgeous and so intricate and so fun. I love that one. I'm glad I can finally have that one. Now let's look at the collage. What's the official name of this one? I got to make sure. Collage Slimline dies. Look at this. Here's our cute little sloth hanging in there, right? Here's a good one that'll show you that they have the rectangle, then the square, then another rectangle. So pretty. Here's another one. And it's fun because you can do this one long ways or sideways. Either way, it's up to you. Here's another fun one. Ooh, and I have a sneak peek coming up. Look at this. Here's another one. Look, totally different each and every time. And here's another one. So you can do it with the rounded corners card or the regular corner card, either one. But here's the sneak peek, and here it is horizontal. Now, I'm not going to tell you what the sneak peek is, but right now what we're looking at is these fun collage cutouts right here. So awesome. Now, let's look at our samples for the For You die set. And I have tons of these. My design team went crazy on these. And here we go. Here's a For You with that pretty flower. Look at that gorgeous flower. And you open it up. Oh, even more flowers. And then your gift card will be right there. Isn't that awesome? Let's look at this one. Here's another one. The nice thing about the For You is, here, let me show you these. It's easier to see. On these, here's the For You using the positive. Here's the For You using the negative. Now you'll notice the O's still are, the centers of the O's are still in there because I added that little notch and the inside of the R, so you don't have to glue that little tiny piece in. I hate that. So I kind of make my own stencil letters when I die cut. So here's another gorgeous one. We're going to open it up. Oh, cute little bug. That surprised me. Cute little ladybugs. We're going to open it up, and there's a little gift card in there hiding for us. Here's another one with that cute bow. Look at how gorgeous that intricate bow is. Open it up, and oh, a cute little one. Oh, they glued this one shut, and there's a gift card right there. So fun. Here's another For You. Open it up. And you can do it this way, so the notch is on the bottom, or you can do it this way where the notch is on the top. You get to decide. And I'm going to open this one up. Oh, cute little bow. And there's my little gift card. I love it. Oh, here's another one. Lots of these. Open this one up. Look how cute, that little bow. I love that. Celebrate today. And then, oh, look at this one. This one says a gift for you. And there's a cute little gift card on the back. Let's see, and it says, lots of people are thinking of you on your birthday. I wanted you to know that I'm one of them. Isn't that sweet? Lots of these, you guys. Look, oh, add the letters in. I love that. Open it up. There's our gift card. Cute little flowers. Oh, here you can use a gift for you on an envelope if you prefer, which is really awesome. You can also use these on top of a card. You don't have to use just the gift card, so that's fun. You can give them, oh, a little Starbucks gift card. You could give them this card and the gift could be on the card, which is really fun. Ooh, here's a cute one with the little flowers. I told you I had a lot, you guys. Now, if I'm going too fast on any of these, don't worry. All of these will be uploaded to our online gallery so you can see them up close and personal. Here's another one for you. Oh, and there's one on the inside. You can open that up. And then here's another one, a gift for you. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, these are easy peasy to put together. Happy birthday with our little elephant, Pudgy. Now, these are really easy to put together. In fact, I've already die cut one. Now, let me check really quick to see if you can use a standard die cut machine. It's a little, it would fit widthwise, but lengthwise, you would need the longer cutting pads, just a heads up on that. So what I've done is I've already die cut it, and I'm just gonna fold all these in on those nice deep score lines. Fold this one in as well. Now, I can adhere that, or I can just leave it open. I like to leave it open. I'm gonna fold that one down too. And then I can just use this little notch, and I'm gonna just drop that in there. Whoops. Drop that in there right there, just like that. Easy peasy. That's how easy it is to fold. Now, one of the fun dies, there's a stitch die in here. There's also another stitch die that I can decorate, a layering die to decorate this piece here, to decorate the back as well. But I want you to see how awesome this die is. It says a gift for you. So I'm going to grab, oh, let's get one that, let's see, here. We'll just grab a blue, just because I want you to see how awesome this is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this die with the die cut to cut it out on the outside. I'm gonna lay this through my machine. And I'm going to make sure I have the rectangle kind of layered on there really nice. And then I'm gonna use a second cutting pad and I'm going to die cut this, just like that. And you're gonna see now this adhesive, this cardstock has the adhesive on the back. So what I want you to do is see how fun this is gonna be. So now I have, dun, 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 a gift for you, almost all the way completely taken apart. So I'm just gonna peel this off. The little extra letters were gonna come off, don't worry. So there's a gift for you. So look, isn't that awesome? The O's stick in there, the R, the A. So I'm gonna lay that down just so you can see it. Look how that, I don't have any little pieces to add in there to do the centers. Then the extra letters are going to be right here. So I can peel off the U and the Y. Oh, that one came off nice and easy. Let's see. And then I can do the O. Where'd the O go? Did I already lose the O? There's the O. And let's see, let's poke that out. I think I'm missing one of the O's. There's an O. There's an O. And I'm going to grab this one. And we're gonna say U. And then I'm gonna say 4. Oh, the R came out nice and easy. So look how easy this is. You can literally put these together, peel this up, add the F for you. So easy, so simple, and you don't have to worry about the insides of the letters, which I love, for you. Now I'm gonna do the O's, turn it this way so it doesn't look like a C. There you go, look at that, you guys. Oops, it's a little crooked. But you get to use both versions of this. You don't have to use just one, you get to use both. So there's for you, then open it up, a gift for you. Isn't that awesome? So you don't have to use it on the same one, but now you can at least get the idea. Isn't that awesome? Now club members, of course you get the club discount on these products. If you're not in the club, you need to join. Save 15 or 20% on these products. Isn't that awesome? And you get a goodie sent in the mail to you, and you get freebie gifts and anniversary gifts and club points. Oh my goodness, it's just awesome. You have to go join. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.